everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well and I hope that you all have watched part 1 and part 2 of this video in which I have shared the base products and the eye products I have, and in today's video I am going to share the lips product and the what tools I carry while traveling to the clients. And yes, if you guys want to know, then keep watching. So now coming to the lipstick, whatever the products I have for the lips, I carry in this box. This is from Cult. Actually, I got this box when I ordered the water activator eyeliner. That water activator eyeliner was this much, but I got that water activator eyeliner in this box and I love this so much. And what I'm going to do, जो भी मेरे हाथ में लिपस्टिक आएगी, I'm going to tell you that what is which shade is this and what is the brand of that lipstick, and I'm going to swatch that lipstick for you. So yes, now let's jump into the video. Okay, so the first lipstick I have is from Nykaa. This is how it looks. It is in the shade Madras Kafi. It's a beautiful brown nude shade. How beautiful it looks. And then the next lipstick I have is from Too Faced. This is how it looks. It is in the shade Sell Out. It is a beautiful pink shade, and let me swatch it for you that how beautiful pink shade it is. It is, we can say it is a baby pink shade. It is a proper nude shade for my skin tone. And how you can get to know the proper nude shade according to your skin tone, जो nude shade है वो आपके lips से 2 shade सिर्फ darker होना चाहिए. That means it is a perfect nude shade for you. And then the next lipstick I have is from Smashbox. This is how it looks. It is in the shade Disorderly and it is a beautiful warm red shade. It is beautiful shade for the brides who want bold red lips, and this is how it looks. You can see that how beautiful it is, and it is the long lasting also, and that Too Faced one also was the long lasting and that Nykaa one was the long lasting. But what happened with the Nykaa one, it is a not proper matte, which is the best thing. Like if you don't want to go for the matte side, then you can purchase that lipstick. Then the next lipstick we have is the Love Earth lipstick. It is in the shade Pink Colada, and I freaking love this lipstick so much because it is a matte lipstick. Whenever we apply the matte lipstick, it feels very dry, but this lipstick doesn't feel like that. It feels very light on your lips, and it feels very comfortable as well, and it is long lasting as well. So the Love Earth lipstick is wow. I freaking love Love Earth lipsticks. It is in the shade Pink Colada, and you can see that how beautiful this shade is. And then we have, we have lipstick is from Love Earth. It is brown nude shade. It is so good. It is in the shade Espresso Martini. This is how it looks, and let me swatch it for you so that you can see that how beautiful this shade is. You can see that how beautiful this one is. And then we have lipstick is from Maybelline Superstay. It is in the shade Dancer. This is how it looks. It is the red lipstick. What problem I face with this lipstick is after applying this lipstick, I feel my lips very dry, and I feel that same problem to my clients as well. So what I do, first I apply the balm, lip balm on my lips, and after that you can apply this lipstick. Then it will be great for your lips. Then it will feel light on your lips. Otherwise the lips will crack out, so it will not look good at all. So this is how this shade looks like. It is a beautiful red shade. No doubt it is a long lasting lipstick. So if you are going to purchase this lipstick, like Maybelline Superstay lipstick, so first you have to apply the lip balm, and after that you can apply this lipstick. And the next lipstick we have is again from the Maybelline. It is in the shade Inspire. It is pink. It is in the pink shade, but we were this one is nude shade and this one is little darker than the nude shade. It is not that pink shade. It is the, we can say that hot pink shade. So this is how it looks. It is beautiful hot pink shade. And then we have next lipstick is from NYX, and this is how it looks. And it is SMLC 20. It is in the shade SMLC 20. Yes, and let me swatch it. It is the wine shade, and when it is mixed with the Madras Kapi shade, it looks very wow. And I have made one short video in which I have mixed NYX and Madras Kapi. So if you want to know that what type of shade becomes by mixing these two shades, so you can go and check that short. And I upload shorts on a regular basis, like on every day. So please do subscribe my channel if you are watching this video. It will means the world to me. And then the next lipstick we have is from Smashbox. This is how it looks. It is in the shade, I think, yes, Driver's Seat, and it is the beautiful peach shade. It is long lasting, as I told you, with the Disorderly one, like this one. So I got these two lipstick in a combo. I got these two lipstick for 5090 rupees. Actually, there was a sale going on, buy one get one. So I ordered one for me, and I ordered one for my friend. She also wants it, so she got one and I got one. And then the next lipstick we have is again from the Nykaa. It is a beautiful red shade. It is in the shade Guava Hottie 03. Let me swatch it for you, that how beautiful it looks. So this is how it looks. You can see that how beautiful this shade is. And then the next lipstick we have is from Sugar. Actually, I got it free when I ordered the Sugar products, but I never apply these type of lipstick on myself. But when my clients want these type of shade, I apply to them. This is how it looks. It is in the shade Purple, we can say, and it is long lasting, no doubt. I have made one short video also with this lipstick in which I want to create the bold lip look, and I have created the ombre lips also with this lipstick, so you can go and check that out as well. And then the next shade we have is from Miss Claire. It is beautiful cool red shade. It is in the shade 01 to the fullest. Let me swatch it for you, that how beautiful cool shade is. And this is how it looks. When you want to apply the cool red shade, what I like, when I apply this, when I'm going to create the full nude shade and I want my lips to be red, at that time mostly I apply this lipstick at that time, and it is a beautiful cool shade. And then the next lipstick is again from the Love Earth. This is how it looks. It is in the shade Spicy Sangria, and it is the beautiful red shade. And this is how it looks. What I do, sometimes I have made one short video of that also, in which I have mixed eyeliner with this one, and that shade looks so beautiful. It, like, not exactly, but somewhat it was looking like that. So if you want to go and check that out, then please do it. And then again we have lipstick from Maybelline Superstay. This is how it looks. It is in the shade Fighter. It is the brown shade. It is a beautiful brown shade. Actually, I want to buy the, what is that, chocolate brown shade. I want to buy that lipstick also. And this is how the Fighter shade looks like. It is so beautiful. And then we have in the shade Seductress. It is again from the Maybelline. It is in the shade Seductress. It is the nude shade for the lighter skin tone. And let me swatch it, that how it looks. So this is how it looks. And then the next lipstick we have is again from the Maybelline Superstay. It is in the shade Versatile. It is also peach shade. You can see that how beautiful this shade is. Now I will swatch all the lipstick over here, because, so yes, the next lipstick we have is from like this one I have, this is from Mion. I purchased this lipstick from the local shop and it is the beautiful pink shade, and you can see that how it is. It is in the like creamy matte side. It is not a liquid form. Obviously you can see it is not a liquid, but it is in the creamy matte range. And I have is again from the Maybelline. It is in the creamy matte range. It is 690 Serene in Scarlet. It is a beautiful red shade, and this is how it looks. Sometimes what happens is sometimes some clients want creamy lipsticks. They don't want to go for the liquid lipsticks, so at that time I go with these lipsticks. And then I have the Miss Rose lipstick. This is how it looks, and I cannot find the shade on the packaging because it is erased. I have used this lipstick so much, only this much is left. It is the proper nude shade for my skin tone, for my lips, and this is how it looks. And then we have, I think, yes, then we have Maybelline Super Stay lipstick. Let me see the shade. It is in the shade Delicate. It is beautiful pink shade, but it is little light. But when it is combined with, you can see here, but when it is combined with the Nykaa lip liner in the shade Pillow Fight, that looks very great. And let me swatch all the lip liners I have, but let us first complete all the lipsticks. Okay, so I have one lipstick from the Nykaa. Where it went? Yes, I have lipstick from Nykaa. This is how it looks, and it is in the shade Girl Gang. It is a beautiful, again, pink and pink plus wine shade, and this is how it looks. It is a beautiful pink plus wine shade. Like for me it is pink plus wine shade. The glosses we have, first gloss I have is the from Lime Crime. I only have two glosses with me. So the first one is from Lime Crime. It is in the shade Disco Cherry. I have made one short video for this also, in which I have swatched this lipstick on my lips where I haven't applied any lipstick, so you can go and check that out as well. So I'm swatching this lipstick on this shade. You can see that it has little bit shiny particles, which I love the most about it. And then another gloss which I have is from MAC, and I hate दैट ग्लॉस, क्योंकि ये पूरा टाइम बहता ही रहता है, इसलिए मैं इस ग्लॉस को इसमें हमेशा रैप करके रखती हूँ, क्योंकि जब मैं इसको सारी लिपस्टिक्स के साथ रखती थी ये पूरा बहता रहता था एंड इट ruined my all other lipsticks as well. So this is how it looks, this is how its packaging looks like. No doubt I have used it this much because I don't want to waste my money, but what I do कि मैं इसको इसमें रैप करके रखती हूँ कि जो भी इसका मतलब निकल रहा है ग्लॉस वो इसमें निकले और मेरी जो बाकी की लिपस्टिक्स हैं वो खराब नहीं हो. And now coming to the lip liners I have 2 or 4 lip liners, I don't know actually, but mostly I use these 2 lip liners, and you can see that how much I use this lip liner. And in today's look also I have used this lip liner, and these both are from Nykaa. So the first one is from Nykaa in the shade Pillow Fight. This is how it looks, and let me swatch it for you that how it looks. This looks. And then we have this again from the Nykaa in the shade Beautiful Liar, and this is how it looks. It is the brown lip liner. And then we have from K Beauty, and this is how it looks. It is also a brown lip liner. And one lip liner which I have is from Maybelline. So this is how it looks, Maybelline lip liner, and let me swatch it for you that how it looks. Okay, so now coming to the brushes, we have these brushes with me. Lipstick गिर गई. So yes, we have these brushes with me, and I have few beauty blenders with me. So it is very obvious, like if we are makeup artists and if we are doing makeup on us or on anybody, then we have sponges and brushes. Let me show you the brushes quickly. So we have few eye brushes. So the first eye brushes we have is from PAC. This is the PAC blending brush. It is triple two. We have few brushes from the pack. Actually, let me find out quickly कि कौन कौन सा पैक से है. Then you can see like all the brushes from the pack. Okay, so we have these these 5 brushes from pack. This is the blending brush. It is flat brush. This is how it looks. I use this brush for the smoky eye look. Then we have one eyeliner brush. This is how it looks. Then we have one eyebrow brush in which we have spoolie on the other side, and then we have flat blending brush. This is how it looks. Then we have few brushes from Miniso, and I must say this quality, like Miniso brush quality, is super. For the 500 rupees you are getting these many brushes, so it is very great. You can go and check this reel also, like in which I have used all the Miniso brushes for creating one look. So we have these brushes from Miniso. Like we get 2 blending brush, one flat brush. It is also like slant fluffy brush. Then it is flat fluffy brush. It is also a flat but little dense brush. Then we have eyebrow brush, and then we have pencil brush. It is not clean, and I'm so sorry for that. Then we have few brushes from CS Essential, and this is how, yes, so this is how it looks. It is also a blending brush, eyebrow brush, pencil brush, and then again blending brush, and then again flat brush. So in like we should have, like if you are a starting makeup artist, so we should have blending brush, pencil brush. I have made one video in which I have talked about the brushes beginners should have, so you can go and check that video also. I will link all the, I will mention all the links in the DP. So if you want to go and check that, all those videos in which जिसके भी बारे में मैंने इस वीडियो में बात की है, सो यू कैन गो एंड चेक दैट आउट. एंड देन आई हैव वेट एंड वाइल्ड के जो ब्रश सेट था वो मैंने फर्स्ट लिया था. जो सबसे मेरा पहले ब्रश सेट था, दैट वाज दिस वेट एंड वाइल्ड ब्रश सेट. इट्स क्वालिटी इज़ वेरी ग्रेट, नो डाउट. देन आई हैव फ्यू ब्रशेस from Amazon, nameless brushes. This is how it looks. And yes, I got these 2 brushes also, pack brushes. Sorry, this one is from Miniso. Spoolie brush is from Miniso, and this one is from pack. Like if you, and this one is also from pack. It is a pencil brush. Like if you want to spend a good amount in brushes, so you can go and purchase pack brushes. But if you don't want to spend so much money on brushes, then you can go and buy Miniso brushes for rupees 500. It is great brushes, I must say. And then we have few face brushes. These 5 brushes is from CS Essential. This is how it looks. It is the powder brush. It is slant brush, which is used for concealer. Then we have this slant brush, not slant. Then we have this flat brush, which is used for contouring. Then this brush, which is flat plus fluffy, which is used for blush. And then we have this brush, which is used for highlighter. Like we can use this brush for powder as well, for the small area, but I love to use this brush for the highlighter, so I use these brushes for the face. And then we have these 2 brushes from Wet n Wild. This one is contour brush, and this one is blush, yes, powder brush. Now coming to the tools, first I have ring light, which I'm using for today's for video. Let me show you the ring light I have. That ring light is from sorry. That ring light is from Digitech. I got the circle and the tripod different. The circle was for 3,500 rupees and tripod was for rupees 750 rupees. Let me show you the ring light now. Okay, so this is how the ring light looks like, and please ignore the mess. And yes, so first I'm going to switch on, and I have already told you that this one is from Digitech. What we have two buttons over here. Yes, now you can see. So from the one button we can change the light according to the look we are creating. We have warm light, we have neutral, then we have cool light. Mostly we use cool light, and then we can dim this light if we want, or if you want more light then we can do like this. So what I'm doing is doing like this and doing like this. So yes, this is how the ring light looks like. The next light we have is this one. This one is from Ek Vanity, and this is the stick light. What I do is first I open this light. Let me open it. I cannot open it from one hand. Yes, I did it. So yes, this is how the stick light looks like, and there is a wire which I have connected over here, and we have few buttons behind that. First one is power on and power off button, and we have this light looks like this, and we can change the light. If you want red light, then we can change this. If you want different types of light like green, blue, white, green and red, then we can change this. And we have cool lights and warm lights, every lights we have in this stick light. And I got the battery charger and remote as well, but जो बैटरी थी वो भी ख़राब हो गई है, जो रिमोट है वो भी ख़राब हो गया है. I bought this light in May, बट ये जो है वो बहुत जल्दी ख़राब हो गई. आई होप सो कि लाइट जल्दी ख़राब ना हो. बट द स्टिक लाइट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर क्लिकिंग द पिक्चर्स. सो let me show you my face first. Okay, so we were talking about the stick light. So that light is great, but उसका remote, उसके battery वो सब खराब हो गया है. But you can go and buy the Godex stick light as well if you have a budget. Like at that time or now also, I don't have a budget. Like I go and purchase 15,000 and I don't know exact rupees, but it is around the 15 or 20,000. So I don't have that much budget. इसलिए मैंने ये वाली stick light ली थी. But ये सब खराब हो गया है. But still I'm managing, and I will go and check. I will go and get checked remote of that light, because remote खराब होने से बहुत ही problem आ रही है. क्या होता था इस remote में, sorry. सो क्या होता था इसमें ऑन ऑफ का था, एंड इसके बाद आपको किस टाइप की लाइट चाहिए. इफ़ यू वांट डिस्को लाइट, एम्बुलेंस लाइट, फायर लाइट, कैंडल लाइट, सो यू कैन ईजिली स्विच द लाइट्स बाय ओनली क्लिकिंग वन बटन. एंड मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो रही है जब से रिमोट ख़राब हुआ है. सो आई विल गो एंड गेट चेक्ड दिस रिमोट. ओके, सो दिस इज इट फॉर टुडेज वीडियो. आई होप you all have enjoyed this video so much. So please do subscribe my channel. It will means the world to me. And please like, share and comment as well. And yes, I upload shorts on a regular basis, like on each and every day. So you can go and check that out also.